Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Android guide, I'm going to show you how to mute incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy A17 5G using a simple gesture feature. This method is very useful when you want to silence a call quickly without pressing multiple buttons. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you can control and customize many features of your device, including sound, notifications, display settings, and advanced functions. Next, scroll down and see the advanced features. Tap on it to open the page. The Advanced Features section includes several smart tools designed to make using your phone easier and more convenient. After opening Advanced Features, locate the Motion and Gestures option and tap on it. This section contains different gesture-based controls that allow you to interact with your phone using simple movements. Now, find the option Mute with Gestures. Tap the switch next to it to turn the feature on. Once enabled, you can quickly mute an incoming call by simply placing your hand over the screen or turning the phone face down on a flat surface. The call will be silenced immediately without rejecting it. This feature is especially helpful during meetings, classes, or quiet environments where you need to silence your phone quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Android tips and helpful tech guides.